Welcome to Medical Lab Insights, your go-to source for everything you need to know about the fascinating world of medical laboratories. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about lab science, you'll find something here for yourself. Hello, I'm Ben, and I've spent an incredible 34,000 hours in the world of medical laboratories. Today, I'm excited to give you an insider's view of the essential work we perform daily. Even during the challenging times of COVID-19, my dedication to the lab never wavered. I'm here to share my wealth of knowledge and insights about this vital field with you. From understanding blood tests and microbiology to exploring cutting-edge diagnostic technologies, we cover it all. Join me as we dive deep into lab techniques, share expert tips, and bring you the latest advancements in laboratory medicine. Hit subscribe and become part of our community. Let's uncover the mysteries of the lab together.